up, everybody? After a long time, BriLer Moto's back. It's been 6-7 months. Just been working, doing the Corona life thing. But in that meantime, I have a new vehicle. Got a 99 Acura CL 3.0. And so it's not new. It's new to me. But today, we're going to be doing an oil change. And we have a noisy power steering pump, which I guess for Acura is a thing. It's leaks right here, and there's a couple O-rings that I guess go bad and start letting air in, so we're going to try to do that. But for right now, let's get to this oil change. We got our oil, high mileage, it does have 174,000 miles on it, so we're going to need that. Drain bucket. I have no idea what size the socket is down here, so we'll figure that out. 15? No, looks like it's going to be a 16. 16 or 17. That means I gotta go grab some more tools. 17. It's probably hard to see anything down here, but
gonna do the best we can.
ooh. There we go. There. Jeez.
Got it?
Yep. There's just no room. You can do a quarter turn at a time.
Yeah.
Hopefully all that drains out, because it's got a weird angle. So the street is not straight. Oh god. There we go. There we go. Let's get this old drain plug out. Crush washer's on there. And it's a good thing we got a new one. This one was leaking. You can see drips from it. Let's see if we can do the oil filter at the same time. Should be able to. Hopefully it's not tight as hell. Oh, thank God. It's not mega tight. The oil is looking thick.
Yeah, it didn't look good.
Yeah, I have no idea how long it's been in here or what kind of oil it is. So we're going full synthetic, high mileage. There we go. Filter. We'll clean up the gasket or the mating surface for that oil filter. That scared me. I saw smoke. I was like, how are you smoking? Nothing's on.
Okay. Let me show 'em.
Old and the new. We had to go back already because they gave me the wrong one. They tried to give me the wrong one twice. The one they gave me was like half this size and shorter, so I don't know what they were looking at. I'll get the new oil. And I don't usually pre-fill the filters, but since this one's up and down, I might as well add a little bit of oil in there. Guessing it's gonna be like that.
This is a 3-tank.
Huh?
What?
What'd you say?
V-tank.
Yeah, it's got the VTEC. Still peeing? A little bit. We can get that filter in though.
So why are we going quick?
The wife has a chiropractor appointment at 6 o'clock, an hour away.
Because I'm
So
bougie like
we're trying
that.
to rush a little bit. Get Get the old packaging, or the new packaging off. Get some new oil around the O-ring.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And we'll add just a little bit on the inside. Just enough to where it's not dry. Put this back on before I kick it over.
And be mad.
Yeah, I'd be big mad.
Big mad. I hear it's still peeing.
Yeah, well, I can put this in now.
I know.
Alright, so now filter guy goes back in.
Okay, this is a pretty good angle though right here.
Good angle.
Yeah.
Clean up the surface again. And get her on there. Alright, remember, these don't need to be tight, so once it touches, only need hand tight. Nothing more than hand tight is what you need. That's plenty right there. And we'll just wait for it to finish pissing, and then we'll come back to you guys. And then the drain plug torque is 29 foot-pounds.
I'm cold.
You're always cold. This is trash.
Trash.
Yeah.
Trash.
Look how flat and cracked that thing is. That's why this one was leaking. Who knows how many times? Who knows how many times this one has been reused?
Put your hand behind it like makeup. Look at that wedding ring. Ooh.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Still peeing.
Shisha.
4.6 something quarts is what it suggests for the oil filter and oil. So we just got a 5 quart jug.
So in case you didn't hear before, we are doing full synthetic high mileage.
Yes.
Because this car, as we said, is not
New.
new. It's just new to us.
And it has 174,000 miles on it.
So we're gonna spoiler him. We don't have a name yet.
Nope. And since it's a Honda, it's barely broken in though at 174,000 miles. It runs better than my BMW ever did. And it's faster too.
So while we're waiting on that to be done, I'm gonna give you guys a little tip. Not tip. Glimpse into my weird mind. So these parts on my Jeep and the chromey stuff, not the honeycomb, just the outlining. This guy, this thing maybe, the word Jeep. I want to paint it in Moto black. I don't know if any of you have heard of Moto black. I just found out about it the other day, and it makes everything look, like a shadow. And I think that's pretty darn cool. Goodness gracious, that sun. So, that's gonna be my next project. Because I don't necessarily like that front stuff, but they don't have many options for like customization. So I'll work with what I got. Well, what I will have, I should say. So she'll be shadowy. And then she's gonna get her name put on her somewhere, somehow. Ty's thinking like a sun strip with her name. But I'm not sure. Her name's Meep, if none of you know. Meep the Jeep. Meepers, the Meepsters, Meep the Beast. Meep meep.
You should show them your cold air intake.
Oh yeah, and I got a cold air intake, guys, for Christmas. That's right. Forgot you guys didn't know. So, let me open her up. As always, Mr. Jack, the best. Oh, so far down. And I have a Nightmare Before Christmas face mask too. Alright. Nah, she's got legs. They're just gonna see my torso for a sec. Oh, don't drop you. Alright guys, are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Look at her.
We should have got you coolant.
She's Cannon.
Gives you those growls.
Yeah, it makes her a little growly. I like it. Like I thought. Because I'm not the girliest girl of the bunch. I would have preferred a more off-road equipped, without being afraid of braking vehicle Jeep, but I like this because now I get to make it somewhat-ish off-road-ish. We're gonna lift her maybe an inch or two.
At least at 1.5.
At least 1.5. And then we're gonna give her beefier tires, maybe widen her stance. So she looks like a little, get out my way.
The tires in general, I don't think we'll add spacers, because spacers in off-roading is bad.
Well, I never go off-roading.
But the tires that we're probably going to get for it will probably be beefier.
Yeah.
So they'll be wider.
Yeah.
And probably some better springs and shocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like the chromey stuff or the outlying stuff will be like a Musso black. That will be Musso. Maybe do my handles. That might be a little cute touch. May leave that. Not sure. But you know. Okay. Back to what we were originally doing.
Alright, now that it's just dripping. Good. See the towel stop the rest of that. Nope.
I think it's the angle. You need a higher.
Yeah.
jack.
Oh well.
Or I should have pulled in the driveway.
Yeah, maybe.
Next time. Because we've always put my car in the driveway when we change the oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Shut up.
It's just still going.
Yeah.
I've never seen 4.6 quarts take so long to drain. We might just start giving her. Alright, so let's get this started. Don't drop it
Don't drop it.
in the used oil and don't cross thread it. Alright, I got my torque wrench set for 29 foot-pounds. It's as tight as possible because I have zero room to tighten anything in here. Yeah, can't do it that way. Gotta go this way. There it goes. Just a quarter turn at a time. This is what happens when you have a 3-foot-long torque wrench. There it goes. 29 foot-pounds. And now I'm stuck. Will you hand me a fresh towel, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Make sure it's nice and clean down here so I can see if there's any more leaks. Now, get off the jack stands, because I don't like these jack stands. Guess what? They're Harbor Freight jack stands, the deadliest of jack stands.
Yeah.
She will help me get it off the jack stands. Okay, that one's free. They're both free. Alright. Now the scary part is this freaking jack sucks. Also Harbor Freight. Oh, okay, that was easy. Oh man, not.
We're gonna bleep that out.
Spoke too soon. What?
The name of the store.
No.
Why are we gonna start bashing things?
It's kind of like a thing. Like Harbor Freight tool, like jacks and jack stands are.
As it goes down nice and smooth for the camera.
Yeah, but I had to use the control of a monk. Usually, it's a lot more violent. All right, now we can start adding our 4.6 quarts. No funnel, so this might suck.
We have a funnel.
Do we?
Yeah, we bought some.
Is it clean and not disgusting?
I matched the car.
Is that a person or a dog?
It's a dog.
Doesn't it sound like a person?
Maybe
It sounds like a dude trying to bark. Alright, clean funnel.
Let's get a flow action shot. It's a good
I could
shot.
have got this without the funnel, but I don't want to flex too hard. You want to check for leaks while I'm doing this?
Alright. We're leaking.
Huh? Oh my
I
God.
don't see any.
They said we're leaking.
So are we leaking? I don't really see any like drippies, nothing.
Can you give it a start? No leaks, no drips. Let this go for like 45 seconds and check the level.
It's so quiet. Running the battery.
You're at a little bit of an angle too, so it might show a little bit less. And remember, always dispose of your oil responsibly. We just use a cat box stuff. Hey, look how thick that old oil was.
So you can see it like on the side right here.
But there's no metal flakes or anything, so that's good. But I think we were right by changing the oil. I hit the gas too hard, so stupid.
So what? Let me have my fun. I'm gonna have some comedy.
You better start getting funny then.
I'm the life of the channel.
Uh-huh. That's right. I might add a tiny bit more.
Oh, that's where we're looking.
I might add a tiny bit more. Just to get it closer to that full line, but it's right in between. It also might drain down a little bit more. But look how nice and gold that Valvoline is. Alright, for right now, I'm going to try to pull out as much of this old fluid as possible, because it's disgusting. Well, it's actually just not too bad anymore, just to edit a whole bunch.
What is that?
Power steering fluid. Alright, so I guess the main issues with these is why they get a bunch of air in them. Is it's these failing. The red for the bottom, the black on top. This one looks the worst and the most annoying to change, so we're going to do that one first. We're going to get some this old fluid off. This thing is dirty. Try to get this hose off. It doesn't look like it's very fun to get in here. Hopefully this hose comes apart without snapping. Some towels underneath so I don't get it all over the belt and stuff. Oh God. Oh, it's coming. Ooh. Stop. Alright. Try to get this out of the way. There. Make sure you try to clean it off your belts. Power steering fluid and belts is not a good combo. See all the oil on top of there? Oh, that might.
That's from
okay.
what you just poured out on that thing, Goofy.
Oh my God. This is still kind of in the way. I might need to move this. Down so I can get this over. You can move. Yeah, sorry, it's gonna be impossible to see this. It is so hard to get in there. I'm still not 100% sure I can.
You can't see it, guys, but it's in that hole. So
I'm not. No, I haven't even got them on yet. It's not moving.
I saw it. in that hole. Oh,
Gosh.
that one. Bam.
This is impossible, man. That's easy. I just cannot get on this. This nut, man. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can physically reach that. I think I need one of those, but not with the ratchet. Because the ratchet part makes it thicker. And then we have our culprit right there. Oh yeah, it's hard as a rock. Get this old one out. Old O-ring out. Flat and stiff. And then new O-ring. And get a little power steering fluid on here. Get that back in there. Put that back in. Tighten it back down. There's that one. I'm gonna need some extra tools or something for that bottom one. I cannot get my wrench on there at all. And this thing was tight, but I really don't think it needs to be that tight. I'm guessing that's good. Get this hose back on. Now I'd say just start it. Just listen for me to say off. It's gonna be loud. Kill it. Top the fluid back up. Give it a couple little turns. Keep going. Well, it didn't get much quieter, but it could still be that bottom seal, but I don't see any leaks from the top. So I don't know. Maybe it helped. Maybe the pump's going out. I don't know. But it's gonna be it for us for now. We'll be back in the future with some more videos. Still gotta do spark plugs, wires, and who knows what else. Alright, see you guys.